Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how to make IR transmitter receiver circuit. First of all, I need the IR transmitter. So this is the IR transmitter. This leg is positive and this is the negative leg of IR transmitter. 1K resistor is used with the negative of leg of IR transmitter. Now this is the 358 amplifying IC. This IC is used to amplify any current voltage. It is also used in amplifier circuits. This is the IR receiver. So I use here that receive the signal from transmitter. This is the positive leg and this one is the negative leg of IR receiver. Now I use the 10 kilo ohm resistor with the positive leg of receiver. Use 1 kilo ohm resistor from the pin 1 of the 358 IC here and use LED for indicating. The positive leg of LED is attached with the resistor and the negative one is connected to ground. Now 8 pin of IC is connected to the negative leg of the receiver. Now I am going to connect the pin number 2 of 358 IC to the positive leg of receiver. Pin 4 is set as ground. Here I am using the potentiometer for adjusting the sensitivity of the IR transmitter receiver circuit. Now connect pin number 3 of IC to the middle leg of potentiometer. Like this. Now connect third pin of potentiometer with ground. Like this. Connect first pin of potentiometer to the positive leg of IR receiver. Also connect the 8 pin of IC to the first leg of potentiometer. Like this. And join this resistor to ground. Now connect positive leg of transmitter LED to the negative leg of this receiver. Like this. here you give the negative voltage. Now take the 9-volt battery and connect this. This is the negative terminal and this one is the positive terminal, like this. Now if any object come between these IR transmitter and receiver, the red LED will blinks. As you can see, I am placing my finger between the IR transmitter and receiver. Now you can see the LED is blinking like this. This application is also used in security system. We also use this in the opening and closing door. Like you can see that when the car is uh, going through the IR transmitter and receiver, the gate will open. As I am using the LED here, you can use motor and open the and close door through the motor. Like when the car is passing this way, the LED will blink. When car pass through this circuit, the motor will turn on and it will open the door. And when the car pass through the circuit and motor will again turn on, you can use another replica of this circuit that will close the door. So here this circuit is also used for opening and closing the door.